In this session, you're going to learn how we use FileHandler to create applications. In fact, what we're going to do is almost build a full-fledged application using FileHandler. The application itself will show us the impact of different parameters on a student's marks. So what we want to do is, for example, look at the impact of something like watching television or reading a book on any of a set of possible subjects, mathematics, reading, or science, and so on, where the behavior can either be, let's say, they've never read a book, then they get the lowest possible marks, no improvement over the worst case. Or they read books once a month, and not about 12% of the students do that, and that's a 3% improvement from never reading a book. If they read books once a week, then that's a 3.5% improvement. Then if they read books every day, which 37% of the students do, then that's a 2% improvement. So this is the kind of analysis that we want to do and be able to then break it up between how is this different for boys versus girls. And we can see that the improvement for girls is higher if they read every day. Within that, what if it is girls below poverty? And within that, what if it is girls with 2 siblings, and so on. So these are the kinds of things our application is going to do, and we are going to be using FileHandler to learn how to do this.